Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to export contacts from Pipedrive. All right. First up, go ahead and log into your Pipedrive admin account. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and go to the left panel, which is right here, and just click on contacts. All right. Click on it. And as you can see here, we have a sample contacts right here and one that I have created. Now, the way to export it is just by going to the three dots right here, which says actions. All right, you're going to want to click on it. Now, once it loads, just click on export filter results. All right, click on it. And as you can see here, you can go ahead and export it as an Excel file or a CSV file. And it says here the exact number of items that will be exported. Say, for example, I'm going to save it as an CSV file. I'm just going to hit on export right here. Click on it, and the process will begin. And shortly, it will say download. All right, just click on it and wait for the download page to pop up. I'm just going to save it on my desktop so we can easily locate it. Now in here, you can go ahead and rename it like a Pipedrive contacts and hit on save. Now the question, how do we import it when we need it in the future? As you can see here at the top left, we have add a person. Now you're going to want to click on the drop down that says more add actions. Click on it and hit on import data. Click on it and we are now on this page. So what we're going to do is just click on upload spreadsheet or CSV. Click on it. Now, as you might remember, it is saved on my desktop. And as you can see here, here's the CSV file. I'm going to click on it and hit on open. All right. You can go ahead and use the import with AI assistant option if you want to. But if not, just go ahead and click on continue without AI. Wait for it to upload and hit on OK, got it. Now hit on next. Next. As you can see here, it will prompt us there are duplicates. If you want to merge it, go ahead and do so. Or if you want to create multiple records right here, go ahead and do so as well if you want to. I'm just going to go ahead and merge the data right here, start an import. As you can see here, the status is importing. And it's done. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.